Oh, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Duel Links video because it's been a minute since I did Duel Links. And actually on my wife's account because I can't get my account on her computer. And I'm having to use her computer at the moment. My laptop is still down, so I need to take it into the shop. Cool. She wins. If I win, she links up. Of course. Oh, I remember what I'm playing. I forgot what I was playing for a minute, so playing the Grandma Maju deck because yay, Grandma Maju. Lava Golem be so good, man. Lava Golem so good, especially with the glass slippers. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. X Savers, right? Yep. It's been a while since I've seen X Savers, so I forgot what they look like. The deck really ain't that great. I hate back row. Ugh. They're not a no. Okay, I was gonna say there's no full screen mode, but okay, that's fine. Um, I'll activate this because searching for golden castles be good. I hate this like set we go. It's such an annoying thing to play against. Also he's playing a big ass deck. 18, 92, 22 cards. Why? Why did I play 20? So weird. Granted, I'm playing 30, but I'm playing Golden Castle, which might why it makes sense. Come on, dude. Come on. So I'm hoping I can make him waste his back row. I don't think she's playing Hatronade because she doesn't have Hatronade in her deck. Oops, I'm into someone from the deck. Oh well. Mm, there's no one on the list of you get better than one thing. That's from your hand or deck, then it's going capital. You can equip one. Why didn't it let me? Odd. Most people forget. Like most people just don't bother reading, which sure comes in handy. Wait, why did I put him in attack mode? He has 0 attack. No! That was a pretty bad move, but oh well. I'll just equip this to it, so. Stop that. Attack with this. And then attack with this. So close. I'm hoping that I don't deck out. That would be pretty bad, eh? I have family from Canada. Well, they're not. Well, yeah, none of my family's from Canada, but they live there, and I go visit sometimes. And I have Canadian. I accidentally let stuff like that happen. Well, I'll have a Canadian thing going on. It's pretty funny. Yeah, I have to win next turn, or I will deck out. So that has to be low enough for me to beat over. Actually, no, I think it destroys itself, but still. Must be called draw Gren Maju, and I should have maybe. No, I should have. No. You know what I mean? I gotta end it right now. To be fair, I haven't slept well, and my brain ain't working right now. God, this is such a bad deck. It's some bad cards. I just lost to it via deck out. That's just. It's frustrating to lose the bad decks because of shitty luck like decking out. I should be playing Gravekeepers. I know that deck better. I'll do like one more game, maybe two, and then that's gonna be it. Also, I apologize for not uploading what was it yesterday. I forgot. No real good excuse, except I forgot. Which was the 20th, the 19th, I forgot, and then the 18th I didn't upload for a good reason. It was my wife's birthday. So you know, can't upload on my wife's birthday because that would be rude and disrespectful. I spent the day with her, you know. So, uh, I just had dinner and my stomach hurts. Mm. After this, I think I'm taking a nap. Ooh, wait, why in attack mode? You dumb? I wonder what this guy is smoking. He obviously is gonna. The rest of that is probably back row, knowing my luck. Because, that's my luck. Set 3 again. Sorry about that. That's my cat meowing for no reason. See? Set 1. Set 2. No? Not a third card? I'm shocked. Normal summon this. Set. Sorry about that. My cat is being dumb. My wife just came into the room, so. And he's wanting attention. My wife had a really great birthday. We had a great time for her birthday. We had pizza. That's what makes a birthday great. Not spending it with loved ones. No, it's pizza. It's all about pizza. Don't worry, it wasn't a delivery. It was just a no. It actually was so no. It was. Yeah, it was. Oh, no. You shouldn't be swearing. You're not supposed to be talking. I apologize to her. She's. I apologize to her. She's rude. Set more backer. Woohoo! Yay! I'm so happy about that. Can't you tell? Backer obviously can't do anything. It sucks though because like I almost have game. Although I almost had game last time and I ended up losing because of all that back row. Okay, draw spell trap thingy. Uh, yeah, this deck is not done yet. Also, yeah, this is gonna be my last duel because it's 11. It's on the 11-minute mark. I highly doubt I have time for another one. Woohoo! That was all good. That boy be good. You're such a golden castle, boys. I have to pick those golden castle boys. I'm gonna switch to defense, and I'm just gonna let myself banish off most of my cards. And then, bada bang, bada boom. I'm gonna land a Gren Maju on his ass with some major damage. Well, in terms of Duel Links, it's major damage. In Yu-Gi-Oh, it's just Mondays. No, I honestly, uh, 4,000 attack points in normal Yu-Gi-Oh is a lot, which is why people thought Chaos Max was good. Chaos Max isn't good. But I'm sorry, but yeah, Chaos Max isn't good. Sorry to break that to y'all, but 4,000 is a lot of attack points when it's easy to summon, easy enough to summon. Um, Funny enough, Grandma Jew was actually topping an event on Duel Links hosted by Duel Meta. For you guys who don't know who that is, he hosts competitive competitive Duel Links videos. You guys should go check that channel out. Most people know who he is. You play Duel Links. If you're watching this, you probably already played Duel Links, which means you probably already know who he is. But if you don't, go check him out. Anywho, while it was topping on that Duel Links event, it was topping in real life as well. And like no one was like, "Oh, hey, let's top in Duel Links. Let's try in real life, or top in real life. Let's try it on Duel Links." It just happened to work out that way, which was cool. It's very interesting. I didn't mind it. It was I thought it was cool. He played I think it was like Dangerous with his deck. Ugh. Funny enough, I showed my wife this deck on in real life. Yeah. Oh yeah, I actually I think uploaded a video about it. Huh? I did that tag with her. That was fun. But you use it with you use it with what should we call it? Shoot. With dangers you use the beginning of the end, creeping doom and whatnot to so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and everything in the comments below because I think I might not have time to finish it. Although I probably will. 4,000 attack and swing for game. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, and everything in the comments below. I will catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo signing out. I'm trying to like press it to the 15-minute mark, but you know, that epically failed. Later, you guys. And still failed.